When I first stumbled across DHI Global Medical Group, I was skeptical. Like many people struggling with alopecia, I tried various over-the-counter medications, expensive shampoos, and questionable supplements. Nothing really worked for me. I began researching hair transplant options, and DHI kept coming up. Their direct hair implantation technique sounded promising, but what stood out most was the promise of precision and a more natural hairline. I decided to schedule a consultation. Their site is pretty polished, with a lot of educational content, videos, FAQs, and even a cost estimator. I appreciated the transparency, although some prices were still quite vague until I had a one-on-one session. During the consultation, the medical consultant explained the whole DHI procedure, highlighting how it differs from traditional FUE and FUT methods. The selling point is that they extract and implant hairs one by one using a patented tool, which supposedly minimizes damage and improves accuracy. The clinic itself was modern and clean, which gave me some confidence. I met the doctor before the procedure, and I liked that DHI promotes procedures performed only by trained doctors. That said, it still felt very sales-oriented at times, with subtle pressure to book quickly to lock in pricing. The procedure took several hours. The pain was manageable thanks to local anesthesia, but there's no denying that the recovery process is tedious. You need to follow strict aftercare instructions. They provided a full kit and explained everything well. My donor area healed quickly, but the implanted area took a few weeks to start looking normal. I experienced some temporary shedding, which they told me was part of the process. Did you know people waste so much time just resetting passwords? I used to be one of them, until I found Locker.io, and now I don't even think about it. This and many other useful links you can find in the description. Now, about the results. It took about 3 to 4 months to start seeing real growth, and honestly, I was nervous during that wait. By month 6, I saw clear density improvements. It's not dramatic overnight growth, but it's steady. The new hair matches my original texture and direction well, which speaks to the precision of their method. However, it's not all perfect. The price is definitely on the higher end. While DHI claims to be more effective, it's hard to measure against FUE without direct comparison. Also, depending on your location, clinic quality might vary. Some people have had mixed experiences with service and follow-up, so do your homework before choosing a specific branch. Overall, DHI Global Medical Group offers a high-quality solution for people serious about treating hair loss. Their technique is refined and the experience was mostly positive for me, though I recommend being cautious with expectations and pricing. If you're early in your hair loss journey, consider all options and ask the hard questions during consultation. If this video helped you or gave you insight into what to expect with DHI, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more real reviews and experiences.